こんにちは、it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Last summer, our family traveled to Oita Prefecture, which is located on the island of Kyushu. Oita is famous for hot springs, and do you know what else? Chicken tempura. It's not common to find chicken tempura in other parts of Japan, but it's so delicious. You have to give this recipe a try. Now let's get started. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. またね!